So the question that a viewer asks is, what happens if my I-751, my removal of the condition, if it gets denied? And so just for the rest of the viewers to give you a general sense for how it works, and the ones that are in this process will know a lot more about it. But you know, when you apply for green card, for a lawful permanent residence, for a spouse, for a wife or husband, there are two parts to it. So the first one is you get a conditional green card, and that's a 2-year green card, and then 90 days, within the 90-day period before that 2 years is up on your conditional green card, you apply what's called to remove the condition so that you can get a permanent green card. And so the viewer is asking about this particular case, the second stage. You know, what happens if my I-751 gets denied? And so it depends. It depends on why it got denied. And so, you know, you could be denied because you didn't provide the requisite, you know, documentation, and that's a problem because, you know, again, you're past your 2-year green card. But more importantly, it could be denied because you did not meet the evidence requirements, and you didn't convince them that you have a real case, and then you're in deep weeds. It's a lot bigger problems because now they're thinking that you tried to defraud them, and now they're thinking you're misrepresented. You know, so I'd be very careful in this case and talk to an attorney. It costs a lot less in the long run. Thank you for watching.